What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new and you've never seen my face before, hi, my name is Ash and this is my channel, Living Ash. You guys, today is exciting for me because I get to talk to you guys about my huge Victoria's Secret haul. Okay, so I went to Victoria's Secret and I got some really good stuff. Actually, I wasn't even intending on going to Victoria's Secret that day. I just happened to be in the mall and it was a Labor Day sale, and I don't know, I didn't pay attention. I forgot that there's sales on Labor Day. So yeah, I was really happy. They had lotion and fine fragrance mist, and you guys, I'm really excited to show you this stuff. And if you guys hear noise in the background, there's a lot going on in my house right now, so please forgive me for that. But you guys, I got something super exciting, okay? But before that, let me show you guys what I got for $6.95. So Victoria's Secret has some new collection out right now, and this is the La Creme Collection. I really like it. I think the packaging is very pretty. I love like a creamy look or a creamy vibe to a lotion or a fine fragrance mist. And of course, not only is this, you know, a new collection, pretty packaging, it's in one of my favorite scents from Victoria's Secret, and that is a Love Spell. I love a Love Spell, and I love another scent. We're gonna get into that one too. But this is probably my second favorite scent from Victoria's Secret. So let me see, because I have not even opened this yet. I'm gonna see if I can open it. I always have a problem opening these, but let me see if I like it. I did smell it in the store, but sometimes my opinion on the scent changes. And let me see. I think it smells really good, and it does smell similar to the original Love Spell, although Love Spell is a lot more like prominent. I think this one's a very like undertone, like creamy. The notes on this are peach blossom, cashmere woods, creme de la Love Spell. So actually, I picked up another Love Spell, the real Love Spell. I actually gave the other one to my mom, so I didn't have one for myself, and I had the fine fragrance mist, and I just didn't have the lotion. So yeah, so the notes are a bit different. This one is cherry blossom, fresh peach, impossible to resist. So yeah, this one has peach blossom, not cherry blossom, and cashmere wood. So it is a different scent, but they do smell really similar. So yeah, I was super happy to get this for $6.95 along with the fine fragrance mist. Let me see some. I like it. I think it smells super good, and I'm happy because I really love Love Spell. And now I'm gonna show you guys what else I got, because listen, I was in there and I didn't have intentions to go crazy and buy a lot of stuff, because I don't know, I just don't want to go crazy anymore. I want to actually have scents in my collection that I actually like and that I know I'm gonna wear. I know when there's a sale, it's very tempting to just pick everything up, but I realize that I've accumulated so many things, and I want to actually love every single thing in my collection that I have. And if I don't love it, I don't want to have to be like, oh, I don't like that scent. Like, I want everything in my collection that I have to be something that I actually like and want to wear, and that I'm proud of wearing. So now I kind of just take time to like smell it, make sure I like it, and then yeah. So let's get into the second thing that I got. I actually got this one today because those were about 2 days ago. This scent is called Victoria's Secret Citrus Chill. Now I like this a lot. I'm not a big fan of like citrusy scents, but this scent is very pretty. I smelled it when I was looking around, because these were not $6.95, these were $5.95. I believe because they are summer scents, they're trying to get them the heck up out that store, so they just put them as $5.95. They'd sell them faster if they knocked them down to $3, but I guess. But I really like this. I'm actually just going to let it grow on me, but it's pretty good. I like it. Now this scent, I actually had to go to a completely different store just to get my hands on Pure Seduction. You guys, this scent is really one of Victoria's Secret's most popular scents. They didn't have not even one fine fragrance mist in the store. The only fine fragrance mist in this scent was the Shimmer Mist and the tester for this scent. They did not have any more. She was like, yeah, we're sold out. I was like, no way. And for this to be $6.95, I had to get it because I wasn't able to get it for $6 during semi-annual sale because Victoria's Secret canceled my order, so I wasn't able to get this scent. And this is my absolute favorite scent. So I called another Victoria's Secret about, I want to say like 20 minutes from me, and they said they had it, and I was like, are you sure you have it? Because sometimes they just be telling you yes just to tell you yes, and I was like, no way, you need to tell me for real, because I'm not about to drive all the way over there and then y'all don't have it. So they had it, and I am so happy because now I can just smell like pure seduction all the time because I have the lotion and the fine fragrance mist. So I am beyond happy about this. You guys, this scent is just so pretty. This is like a Victoria's Secret to me. Like when I think of Victoria's Secret, I think of pure seduction. Like, oh, so freaking nice. The notes on this are juiced plum, crushed freesia. Love this scent. This is my all-time favorite scent. You guys, pure seduction from Victoria's Secret has my heart. And I saved the best for last. I was completely shocked, dumbfounded, surprised. I was taken back when I saw that Victoria's Secret brought out these shower gels. What? Listen, during SAS last year, I was able to pick up the Cloud Foam shower gels, and those were amazing. So when I saw these, they brought these, I'm like, you guys, you're trying to take my money. Like, these are the cutest things ever, honestly, you guys. And I picked up 3 of them. I probably should have picked up the whole store's worth, but I was like, no, let me not. They were $6.95 for one, and I got it in the Velvet Petals. I got it in Love Spell, which was awesome. They didn't have pure seduction, so you know, but they had Bare Vanilla, so I was really happy about this. You guys, these are gel washes with aloe. They create a fresh lather for all over gentle scented cleansing. They're refreshing gel body wash, and I am excited about these. This was like the highlight of my trip to Victoria's Secret. These are amazing. I am happy about this. I really do love Victoria's Secret body wash and shower gels and other things other than the lotion and the fine fragrance mist. So these are super amazing. I think this was a great find because I did tell you guys that I did go over to another Victoria's Secret to get the pure seduction, and they actually did not have any of these. So if you guys have been to Victoria's Secret lately or plan to go, let me know if you guys see these, because I don't know if they're just out everywhere or if they're bringing them in slowly. I don't really know what's up with these shower gels, but you guys, if you could find these, go pick this up. They don't come out that often, and they're normally, the price isn't even on the bottom. That's weird. The prices are normally on the bottom. I don't know why they didn't put them on the bottom this time, but yeah, I guess they're not trying to tell us what the regular price is. But this was amazing, and I'm really happy. I wanted to make this video so bad so I could share this with you guys because I was so excited about this. But yes, you guys, if you guys are going to try out this new La Creme Love Spell collection, go try it out. Let me know how you like it. I always love to hear your feedback. Now, I also want to show you guys that I picked up these bras. Now, they're having like still some sort of semi-annual sale, and I was able to get these bras. This one I got for $22, I believe, and I think this one is very pretty. I really think that you should switch out your bras pretty often. Like, you know, you should have enough bras. Like, we have so many clothes. Like, I don't see why we just don't have, like, I don't know, just I feel like having a nice bra is awesome. Like, why not? And this is so pretty to me. This has like this like mesh kind of lace vibe to it, and I think it's so pretty. It's very like sexy, and it's just, you know, modern. I like it. I think it's not like the regular bra, so I really like the color as well. I just think that this, and it's really low cut, so it's not like a full coverage all around, but it does like stop almost like halfway and gives you like a nice little push. I'm not into padded bras as much as I used to be when I was younger, so I'm really into like this. It gives more of like a natural vibe. Boobs are not always like up and stiff. Like, no, that's just not how it is. So then I got this one here. This one is a little bit more of like a mature vibe. I actually had a hard time trying it on because I was gonna try it on before the video. and it wouldn't go on for some reason, but it looks like this. I'm so sorry, I cannot even show you guys the bra the right way. But yeah, you guys, it again is more of like a lacy bra. You can see through it, and I really love the material. And this one I think I got this one for $21. So yeah, they were all 60% off for these bras. So this one is super cute too, and it's a nude color. And this I was super excited about, you guys. Let me try to put it back together because I actually had put this one on prior to the video and I was obsessed with it. Okay, this is almost like a lingerie type bra, and I really think that you guys would like this if you can get your hands on it. If they still have a 60% off section in your store, this one is super pretty. It's like, this is like Valentine's Day vibes, okay? And I really love it. It's like a see-through, and it's just very fitting, and it does give a push, and it's like supportive, and I really like this. You guys can see the material up close. So pretty. This bra was so, I snagged this up so fast. I think I paid $29 for this. So now I have 3 new bras that I'm so excited about, and that was my trip to Victoria's Secret. I think it was super successful. Now in terms of deals, of course I would prefer to get my lotion and fine fragrance mist for like $3, but you know, some of my AO sales done, so I kind of just take what I can get at this point. And that's why I guess my hauls are a little bit more small and more, oh my gosh, because I remember my Bath and Body Works haul that I did, like when the store opened back, it was huge because it was like, I think just not being able to go to the store for so long, it was just so nice to be in the store. So I ended up just buying everything and just going crazy. But now I'm like, okay, what do I really want? What am I actually gonna use? So I think that's exactly what I'm focusing on now, is just again buying things that I know I'm gonna use and buying things that I know that I'm gonna like, and I know I'm gonna like these. And that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Comment down below if you guys have been to Victoria's Secret lately and what your favorite scent out of the ones I showed you today are, and what OG Victoria's Secret scent do you love. If you made it this far, leave a heart in the comments. I love when you guys do that, so I know that you guys are watching the whole video, and I really appreciate you guys again. And we're so close to 3,000 subscribers, you guys. It's insane. Like, I cannot wait. It's amazing, and I'm so appreciative of every single one of you. And again, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.